Welcome to our Microsoft PowerPoint next exciting animation tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create animation like flying animation like this. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to insert, go to shape and draw a circle like this, holding the shift key on your keyboard, and go to shape wheel, change the color as you want, and make sure there is no outline. Okay, then go to insert, shapes, draw a triangle like this, change the color like as before, and rotate it holding the shift key on your keyboard accordingly, and decrease the size. Okay, now perfect. And select these two shapes by dragging like this, go to shape format and align perfectly. Okay, then go to merge shape, choose union. Okay, I'm doing that later. Go to insert, shapes, then draw another circle holding the shift key on your keyboard. This time make sure no fill, and outline color this color, and change the weight of your stroke like this. Now select these two shapes and go to shape format, merge shape, union. Okay, drag all of these shapes and right click, choose groove. After that, go to insert, shapes, and draw a text box. Okay, type your text, customize your font, increase the size accordingly, change the font color from here. Okay, select all of this, right click, then group. Okay, then take another text box, then type your text, now it's time to add our animation. To add animation, first of all select the particular shape and go to animation and choose plane, but this is not the right direction, so to fix the right direction, go to effect option, selecting this option, go to effect option and choose crop top. Okay, like this. After that, click here and choose with previous and click here animation pane and right click, go to effect option and increase the bounce in around 0.3. Okay, like this. Okay, duration, I will increase the duration just a bit. Now how it look like. Okay, perfect. And for this text, select the text and choose apply in. Under this animation pane option, right click the text option, effect option and increase the bounce in around 0.2 seconds. No problem. Perfect. Okay, now complete. Play with this value with previous and duration 0.5. Okay, around 1. Now how it look like. Okay, perfect. Take a copy holding the shift key on your keyboard, shift and control key at a time. Okay, like this. Take another copy holding the shift key on your keyboard. To add animation, select the shape and play with this animation value right here. Now how it look like. $1.25. Okay, complete. So at the end of our animation, how it look like. So thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon. Our next exciting animation tutorial coming soon. Till then, keep practicing with deep concentration. So guys, I recommend you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button immediately so that you can get the notification of my next exciting animation tutorial. Till then, keep practicing. Have a relax.